Can you get this hard SAT math problem right? Let's put those skills to the test. Okay, so they tell us first and foremost that we're dealing with two beach balls in the shape of a sphere. So I just went ahead and pulled the formula for a sphere from the reference table that's all provided. But we can see that in the formula, it's the radius that's required, not the diameter. So all that we got to do is just divide each of the diameters by 2. So this is going to be 3 over 2x, and then this is going to be 1 over 2x right here. So going ahead and plugging each of them in to the formula, so we'll start with 3 over 2 cubed first, and then we'll go ahead and do that with 1 over 2. Well, we can see that this part of both of the formulas is remaining constant, so that's not going to be useful for comparison's sake. So let's go ahead and see what that would become. So 3 cubed is 27, 2 cubed is 8, and then on the bottom, this becomes, well, 1 cubed is just going to be 1, and then 2 cubed is going to be 8. So we could see the part where they differ, the difference here, the ratio is going to be 27 to 1. So choice D is correct.